Hello friends, happy Diwali to all of you who watching this video. So this is my house looking very beautiful. As me and my family have done lots of efforts on this lighting, it's nearly took a day to put these lights. So let's go inside and celebrate Diwali. So this is a small lawn in our house. So this is rangoli made by me and my brother. This is our lawn area where we usually sit to feel relaxed. And here is my father and my sister trying to lighting our fuljadi. Here my brother and my mama ji playing with fuljadi. My sister is playing with anar and my brother is lighting the fuljadi, but it's not working. And behind my mama ji. This is my front view of my house. It's looking nice. This is a small garden area of my house where we grow veggies and flowers and fruits also. And this is my society, how it's look beautiful. This is my next door neighborhood house. It's looking nice and lighting, and it's my street. Here we are playing with crackers. And it's a street of my house. It's a front view of my house. It's look nice. It's a street of my house. Street. We are trying to burn.
मामा नहा गए आप गर्म अंगारों से.
Finally, my brother and my mama ji trying to lighting the lamp, and it's go hi. Bye. Okay, bye lamp, bye. And once again, happy Diwali to all of you.